The average child asks 300 questions every day. My daughter is not average.
Why can't chickens fly?
Neither is my son.
When can I see the next Star Wars movie?
Some questions are easy to answer.
If you're not gonna have a daughter, baby, why's your belly so fat?
Wine and cheese.
Why can't I play shooting video games?
Because I said so.
Can we get an Xbox?
No. After 10 years of being a mom, I've learned that distraction is the best technique for tough questions.
Why don't turtles wrestle with?
Why turtles have a penis?
Let's get some ice cream. Sometimes I turn a tough question into a learning experience.
Why do grown-ups think alcohol is so much fun?
I used our MEL chemistry subscription to answer that one. Distillation separates liquids with 2 different boiling points. We get a new set of experiments in the mail every month. Sometimes the experiments really come in handy, like,
How come all my Halloween candy turned into fruit?
actually, that's something called transmutation. The toughest questions are ones that nobody can answer.
Are there really aliens?
Where's God?
Why are there wars?
And in that case, honesty is the best policy. I don't have all the answers, but these are the kinds of questions we spend our whole lives trying to figure out, and I'm very excited that we get to do that together.
Okay, cool. But why did you tell Daddy that you were going to Target to get milk and then you came home with a bunch of clothes?
Some questions